Kitty, what happened?
I don't know. Bees stop eating when they're full and go back to their hive, only they still don't know where that is.
What kind of bee is that?
That's the queen bee, the biggest one. Where she goes, the others follow.
Okay then, one super bee-normous queen bee coming up. Modified, customized, rustified. The Robo Queen 4000 bee. Thanks, Beatrice.
We have to get the bees out of town. They need their real home back.
I'll find some place safe for it. I promise.
Okay. Time to buzz off.
Here, bees.
Follow your new queen.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. That's it. Look! I found a spot.
Yes, bees do like to live in the hollows of trees. Great thinking, Liam.
Jack, put the beehive in the tree. We'll lure the bees into it. That's right, bees. It's your hive, sweet hive.
Yeah!
You're welcome, Beatrice.
We're happy we could help.
Yes, and you can visit us anytime, neighbour.
They're pretty amazing.
Yeah, they are. Right, Liam? Liam?
Bzz, bzz. I'm not Liam, I'm Liam.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.